Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: the keyboard, cable, and keycap puller. Plug the USB-C cable into the keyboard, and your PC, once powered, the LED will indicate readiness. Make sure to install the latest firmware and driver from the Zeus site before changing layouts, because firmware ensures stable key scanning and feature support. If you plan to swap caps, remove keycaps now with the puller. This first action prevents conflicts and lets you proceed straight to layout and lighting configuration. Once done with firmware, open the Zeus configuration app and pick your base layout, QWERTY or a custom mapping, because the app writes directly to onboard memory. You'll then create or edit layers, assign FN keys, program macros, and set media controls so your most used commands are one press away. After that, set RGB profiles, choose static for focus, reactive for feedback, or a ripple effect for show. Make sure to save each profile to internal memory, so settings persist across devices. Now you finish by installing keycaps and performing a full test. Align each keycap on the stem and press until it seats. Once done, run the in-app key tester and press every switch to confirm actuation, debounce behavior, and N-key rollover. If a key fails, first reseat the cable and keycap, then reinstall the firmware and reflash your layout. If problems persist, cycle USB ports or contact support. One common fix is reassigning the offending key to a different matrix position to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.